Welcome to Jo-Han USA Oldies Atomic City. Today we're going to talk about our new release of the 66 Plymouth Fury. It's a cast resin multimedia kit just out from Atomic City, Jo-Han. And so we'll just give you a little preview of the box art here. And now we'll open the box and you can see all the goodies inside. We'll start with the cast resin body. This is cast from an industrial grade resin and very high quality. First time I ever saw one cast in this material, I would have sworn it was injection molded. So we start with the one-piece body. We have the interior floor. And we have the chassis with lots of nice detail there that can be detailed and painted. And we'll get into all the other components that come in the kit. We have separate interior sides with nice detail so you can get really nice sharp edges and much better than a one-piece tub. We have the rally wheels with metal axles. We have clear red resin tail lights and the tail light panels separate. And we have the hood ornament. We throw two of those in there because inevitably one of them goes missing at some point. We have the rear bumper and we have the grille and front bumper. We have the instrument panel, steering wheel and console, bucket seats, and 3D printed tires with separate sidewalls so you can do white walls, red walls, blue walls, gold walls, whatever you want to do. And we have vacuum windows. Now this kit is going to be very limited production, most likely less than 75 pieces, and it's available now for $145, and we do mail order. So we certainly hope this will be something you'll find interesting. And while we're on the subject of kits that we're doing under the Jo-Han brand, we'll give you a little sneak peek of our next one. We're doing a 69 AMX. We still have a few more goodies to add to the parts count for this one for you, but it should be coming along soon. A little sneak peek of what the box top will look like, and it'll have a picture of the built-up box art model we're having done there too. Also, if you're going to be in the Lebanon, Indiana area, the HMCA show on September the 6th, we will be there and we'll be presenting the Jo-Han Gold Cup Award to the best model based on a Jo-Han kit. So dust them off, bring them over, and enter for your chance to win the trophy. Can't tell from the picture, but the trophy itself is like 12 inches tall, so it's a very nice piece. It would look good on your trophy case. Also, we're starting to build up our line of Jo-Han restoration parts. We're making reproduction windows, wheel backs, and other items as we can find good patterns to work from that you can use to restore some of your old Jo-Hans. Plus, we have some actual leftover original injection molded Jo-Han parts, various numbers of those that we offer here in the store, as well as available for mail order. So check that out. If you see anything there you need, or just drop us a message on the Atomic City page and with things that you're looking for, and hopefully we'll have it for you coming up soon. So thanks for stopping by Atomic City and Jo-Han USA Oldies today, and we'll stay tuned here on the Rodders Collective page, and we'll give you an update on new things as they become available.
So hopefully you guys enjoyed that exclusive look that we got from Jo-Han Oldies LLC. over there at Atomic City Rod and Customs Model Car Resource. They also have some new Mobius kits in stock. One of them being the 47 Chevy Coupe. They also have the 1970 Ford F-350 ramp truck. They have the new 71 Ford F-250 Custom 4x4. And they also have the new Chevy Sedan Delivery. Again, this is at Atomic City Rod and Custom Model Car Resource in Kettering, Ohio. So you can get a hold of them at 1964 Woodman Center Drive in Kettering. And if you need to, you can email them or check out the Atomic City Rod and Custom Model Car Resource Facebook page. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video with some shots of the new kits that they got in from Mobius. Also, be sure to check in periodically with them and see what they have as far as out of production old stock kits that they're always getting. They're always buying collections, so the stock is ever changing. And then I'll end it on some close-ups of the new stuff that they have come out with their Jo-Han line. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I appreciate you guys all stopping by and checking it out. I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.
This show is brought to you by The Family. Thank you. Like and subscribe.